Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be coding an HTML website. So first we'll be opening any coding editor which supports HTML, for example, Notepad or Atom or VS Code. I'll go ahead and create a new document and select the language as HTML. Now I'll just write all the basic code required and give the website a title, MISHOP. I was struggling to find a name for the website here. Now, we'll add an H1 tag, and we will align it to the center. Then, we will add a paragraph tag to change the font family and the style attribute. I know I'm a snail. By the way, this video was edited by Clipchamp, a Microsoft product. It's very cool to work in it. It also has all the features you would want in your video. It's also very reliable. Now let's continue with the video. I'm going to go with fantasy.